What is black hole and why science is so overwhelmed to solve this unanswerable question? Black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that no particle or even electromagnetic radiation or light can escape from it. Nebulas are the mixtures of hydrogen and helium. Inward and outward forces decides the lifespan of star. Red giant and super red giant stars are formed. Center of a star iron is left as the heaviest element. At that point, gravity wins the fight. Planetary nebula or supernova are formed. Collapsing causes supernova. White dwarf turns into black dwarf and supernova turns into neutron star and black hole. What would happen if you fall into a black hole? In black hole, the stretching is so powerful that no object can withstand it. The supermassive black holes are 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 11 Kelvin, which is almost zero. The square shell's radius follows RG equals to 2gm by c squared. Event horizon is a notional boundary around a black hole beyond which no light or other radiation can escape. In the event horizon, the escape velocity is equal to the speed of light. Thus, nothing that enters a black hole can get out or can be observed from outside the event horizon. Now, let's see what actual event horizons are and see what actual Penrose diagram tells about. Penrose diagram designed to clarify the nature of horizons with the right choice of space-time limits. The speed of light becomes a diagonal line on the space-time diagram. The area encompassed by the so-called light-like paths defines all future and further events of our space-time locations that we could potentially travel to or influence, constrained by the cosmic speed light. That's our formed light code. Our part light code defines the region of the past universe that could potentially have influenced us. Let's drop a black hole into our space-time diagram. It lives at x equals to 0 on the space axis but exists through all the times on the graph. It has a point of infinite density. The singularity on an event horizon a bit further out, the mass of black holes stretches space and time so that light rays appear to crawl out of vicinity of the event horizon before escaping to flat space-time on 45-degree paths. Now let's throw a monkey into a black hole. As it approaches the event horizon, its further light cone bends towards the black hole as fewer and fewer of its possible trajectories lead away below the event horizon. Now, let's talk about singularity. The singularity at the center of the black hole is the ultimate no man's land, a place where matter is compressed down to an infinitely tiny point and all conceptions of time and space completely break down. This contradicted a basic law of quantum mechanics which demands that information relating to an object is never lost. But our scientists are working with a massive study which needs more and more research. Who knows, one day we will be able to solve